Okay, guys, it says topic one assessment, but this is going to be the review, our study guide. And then topic assessment form B will be our test. So I'm going to do a video for each question and then upload that for you to YouTube so you can look at each question individually if you are struggling on some of these concepts. So starting with question one, it says Chris and Jeff sold 15 and 5/10 pounds of trail mix, so 15.5 pounds. They sold the trail mix for $3.98 per pound. How much money did they collect? Okay, so this is something that we need to think about when we are deciding what operation to do. So 15 pounds, and so each pound was $3.98. So this is something that you want to multiply. Okay, so setting up, remember multiplication because it's been a minute. And yes, I need you to use grid paper. I'm going to put my digits, line up my digits first, okay? And then I'm going to place my decimals. Remember placing our decimals. So it is important to line up digits when multiplying, not your decimals, okay? And we're just going to multiply. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 4, 44. Cross that out when you're not using it, okay? 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. I'm going to move the whole thing down, cross it out. Now, this is the part where you can get your ink pen if you're still needing to remind yourself of the strategy. Save that place with a 0, okay? And then move on. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 5 is 45 again, plus 4 more is 49. Carry the 4. Get rid of the other one. 9 times 1 is 4. No, 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 more is 13. Yeah, I went over. Cross out that 4. We're done with it. This time we're moving to the hundreds place. So I'm going to 0 and 0. Okay. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 5 is 15 again, plus 1 more is 16. Carry the 1. Get rid of that one. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. So again, lined up our digits. And we're going to find the sum of each partial product. So 0. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 5 more is 16. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 3 more is 5. Plus 6 more is 11. Carry. And then 4 plus 1 is 6. But we're not finished yet, okay? Remember, and when we are multiplying decimals, draw my arrow. How many are to the right of my decimal? 1. How many are to the right of this decimal? 2. Add those up. So there should be 3 digits to the right of my decimal in my product. So starting here, 1, 2, 3. But we are not finished yet, okay? So essentially, right here, we have 61 and 690 thousandths. But let's look back up at our question. We're talking about money. So again, we go back to that final question. How much money did they collect? Now, we've talked about this. With money, you have to go 2 to the right of the decimal, okay? And you can only go 2 to the right of the decimal. So this third digit, my 0, determines whether or not I round up my number in the ones place. And in this case, 0 doesn't do anything to 9, so I can just get rid of that. So I have $61.69. That is some expensive trail mix. So $61.69. Now this one I'm not asking you to explain. I'm asking for this number here because when you take your test on whatever day we take it. I can't even think of it right now. Um, it's very similar to our study guide, so there will be no surprises, if you will. Okay, so make sure you show your work.